Hello guys and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to add reoccurring events in Google Calendar. I mean like repeating events that for example repeat every week or every month or something. So let's go for it. Let's go to Google Calendar and create an event from here or from here. And here is the the time. You may click here and here is the repeat rate. I would, for example, want it on weekly, or I'm gonna make it daily and save. And here, as you see, my event started to be daily. Okay, ask me later. My event started to be every day, and I don't have to add it every day and open the calendar and this stuff. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And have a good day.